good morning. Today I'll show you the connectivity of Smart World Sector 89 and from Khirki-Daula Toll. So this is Khirki-Daula Toll. It is towards Delhi, and if we go from this side, this is towards Jaipur. So what we will do, from first flyover only, we have to take from beneath the flyover we'll take the right turn. So I'll show you the whole connectivity crossing Sapphire Mall, Genesis Hospital, directly towards Sector 89 Smart World, which has 2.5 BHK and 3.5 BHK. So I am not going above of the flyover. From below the flyover only I will take the right turn. Total. So this straight road, this is the service lane from the flyover. And on the left hand side, this project is MR Palm Hills. So now the right turn is going to come. It is Apno Ghar. So this is Apno Ghar. Just you cross Apno Ghar, from there like 10 meters only you need to take right turn. So I'm about to take the right turn only. So now we are going to enter the new Gurgaon. So this is the Smart World Sales Gallery. This is actual Sector 82. So they have made the sales gallery over here only. So it becomes very convenient for the clients to come have all the information. This is the straight road which is going to Sector 89. So I'll show you the whole connectivity from Khirki-Daula Toll. You see, these malls are ready, everything is operational over here. Lots of families are staying nearby. On the right hand is the Sapphire Mall. You have each and everything over here. All kinds of shops are available over here. Movie theater is also there. Cinema is also there. You can see so many cars are there. It is a good mall in this new Gurgaon. Schools, hospital, restaurant, each and everything are within 3 to 4 kilometer radius. My name is Amit Agarwal and my channel name is Property in Gurgaon. I would only request, please subscribe my channel, which also helps in getting the updates of new projects whenever I keep on uploading. So this is the straight road which we are coming from the highway. If we take a right turn, over here, Dwarka Expressway is there. And if we take left, these parts of Sector 86, 90, 91, all this come. So we are just going to the straight road only. This is the straight road which connects to Sector 89 as well as the Pataudi road. It will hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to reach over there. I'll show you the full connectivity. The location, the property is very good. I would request whoever is seeing this video should visit this property. Give me a call at my number. My number is also displayed over there. There is a hospital also over here in the name of Genesis Hospital. So each and everything is operational over here. This is the straight road. This is DPS school. So there are lots of families who also tell that There aren't any schools over here. There are lots of issues over here, but I'll tell you each and everything. On the right, you see down on street, you get Genesis Hospital. This one is Genesis Hospital. This will be the straight road which connects Patodi Road, and in future it will also connect Dwarka Expressway. So in terms of connectivity, I don't think anyone should have any issue. So we are just going straight only. There is no turn or nothing like that. Just going straight. There a roundabout is going to come. If I take right, I'll connect to Dwarka Expressway, and if I take left, it will connect to sector 90, 91 Newtown Heights. Godrej Aero is also nearby. So the location and all, property, everything. So almost we have reached to our destination, City of Dreams. So upcoming time, this property is going to be one of the best property in New Gurgaon. So do not wait. We are almost about to reach to our destination. So I told you the connectivity is very good. So on the left hand side, the land which we see is City of Dreams. See, some of the work has already been started over here. So this is the whole 60 acres land. So 30 acres. So this is the whole land of 60 acres, where 30 acres Smart World is developing and 30 acres M3M is going to develop. Some of the work has been started, like digging of the land and all everything. So good property. My number, if any you want to contact, you can contact me at this. Thank you. About the project City of Dreams, this is in sector 89, and the whole project name is City of Dreams 60 acres project. Half by M3M, half by Smart World. So this is the clubhouse. You can see how beautiful it is. So you can see this is the swimming area, and the view will be like this. This is the view of the clubhouse, same clubhouse from different location. Over here you can see the ground floor, first floor, second floor. It will be a luxury. Now what you are seeing is the master plan. See, on the right hand side you are seeing the master plan. This is of the Smart World, and on the left hand side this is of the M3M. Both are City of Dreams. The line which you are seeing 75 meters, it is Patodi Road. Now you are seeing the elevation of the project. The whole project will look like this. The stilt, first, second, third, fourth floor. Now this is the layout of 2.5 BHK, 2 BHK and a study room they are giving. Layout is very good. Room sizes and all, everything is very good. Now this is the terrace. You are getting a dedicated terrace area, and the plantation and all which you are seeing, the neighbor's basement terrace will be separated. Now this is the floor plan of all the floors what you are getting. Stilt is there. This is the basement area, then the floor plan and the terrace area, how it is divided. Now 2.5 BHK, you get a free terrace as well as the free personal office. Rate is some 75 lakhs across. After scheme discount, it comes 65 lakhs. Now these are the benefit. You need to deposit 2 lakhs, then the zero payment till possession. You are getting rental on the existing property. Maintenance is free. You are getting personal office and private terrace, and 100% managing guarantee if they don't deliver on time. So now I'll tell you about 3.5 BHK. It is also in Smart World. I have combined both the apartments. So it is a spacious flat. Now what you get in 3.5 BHK, that is also same. Stilt, then the basement area. This is the floor which you get, and how the terrace is divided into 4 parts. The rate is around 79 lakhs after all the scheme discount and everything. Please contact me on my number. I'll explain you more nicely. So my channel, this one property note, please subscribe to it. So this is a brief calculation. It is 96 lakh. You get a discount of 3 lakhs. Then the maintenance benefit is also there. You get first year maintenance free, and the subvention scheme, that is benefit, means rental amount, that also benefits you. It comes around 79.